All right, hey, Josh, Attica Lumber, back up here at Port Clinton. You probably can smell the water. I don't know if you can smell the water in this video or not, but you can see right here, about finished with this post frame. Nice wraparound porch. We're gonna come back and put the post wraps on this, but check this thing out right here, the cupola, and also the wraparound porch right here. We tied that into the gable. Then obviously the overhead door company's here. Good guys, quality overhead door, installing the overhead door. So let's take a look. Let's get a little bit deeper here. You can see here white ladder panel under the ceiling. White soffit. Again, these posts are going to be wrapped. We're going to come back and do that. You can see this guy is knocking out the overhead door. So we did here 3 foot of wainscot here. I believe this color is charcoal white sidewall steel, but let's go in here and check this out. You can see a nice compact garage. Fits the neighborhood, fits the profile of this the neighborhood. But you can see we did 6x6 post. Again, uplifts. Gets quite windy right up here in Ottawa County, Port Clinton, Ohio. 4 foot on center truss spacing. Diagonal bracing. You can see 2x4 sidewall girts. Vapor barrier here for condensation control. But for more information, you can visit atticalumber.com or call us 419-426-BARN.